Welcome to your comprehensive guide to mastering the PTE Academic exam and achieving that coveted 90 score. I'm here to walk you through every aspect of this computer-based English proficiency test, accepted by universities worldwide and for visa applications in Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. The PTE Academic exam lasts 2 hours, is computer-based, and is divided into 3 main sections: speaking and anth, writing, reading, and listening. Scores range from 10 to 90, with results typically available within 48 hours, offering quick feedback on your performance. Achieving a score of 79 or higher is considered expert level, and a perfect 90 opens doors to top-tier universities, professional registration, and maximum immigration points. Let's dive into the speaking and writing section, which typically takes between 54 to 67 minutes. The personal introduction is not scored, but it's a great chance to warm up your voice and practice your pace and clarity. For read-aloud questions, which affect both reading and speaking scores, identify thought groups and mark stress words during preparation. While speaking, maintain a steady pace of 60 to 70 words per minute, using rising and falling intonation and pausing appropriately at punctuation. Avoid common mistakes like replacing or skipping words, false starts, or hesitations to ensure a high score. In repeat sentence, focus on the first and last words and content words over function words, mimicking the speaker's intonation. Memory techniques like visualizing the sentence or grouping words into chunks can significantly help. For describe image, use a clear template, an introduction, describing key features and details, and a concise conclusion. When retelling a lecture, focus on note-taking with abbreviations and symbols, capturing the topic, 3 to 4 key points, examples, and the conclusion. Answer short question requires a brief, 1 to 3 word answer. Don't overthink it, and make an educated guess if unsure. Summarize written text into a single sentence, 5 to 75 words, including all main points with complex grammar and connectors. For essay writing, structure your response with an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion, aiming for 200 to 300 words. Now, let's move to the reading section, which is approximately 29 to 30 minutes long. For fill in the blanks, understand the context, identify the word type, check collocations, and verify grammar. In multiple choice, multiple answers, skim for gist, read questions carefully, and only select answers you're certain about due to negative marking. Reorder paragraphs by identifying the introduction, looking for logical flow, checking pronoun references, and verifying transitions. Finally, let's explore the listening section, which spans 30 to 43 minutes. To summarize spoken text, use keywords and abbreviations in your notes, focusing on the main topic, arguments, examples, and conclusion. For fill in the blanks, read the transcript before the audio, predict word types, and write exactly what you hear. Write from dictation is crucial. Focus on understanding, type as you hear, and use memory techniques to capture every word. This question type carries the highest marks in listening, so meticulous checking of grammar, spelling, and punctuation is essential. Now, let's uncover the master strategies for scoring 90 in the PTE Academic exam. Effective time management is key. Never exceed limits, allocate time proportionally, and always leave review time. Embrace a 90-score mindset. Prioritize consistency over perfection and understand integrated scoring, focusing on high-impact questions. Your practice routine should build from understanding the format to focusing on weak areas, then daily mock tests, and finally fine-tuning. Technical tips include proper microphone positioning, effective screen management, and stress management techniques like deep breaths. Let's review common pitfalls and how to avoid them across all sections. In speaking, avoid fake accents, speaking too fast, and long pauses. Clarity and natural speech are paramount. For writing, steer clear of exceeding word limits and poor time management. Adapt templates rather than memorizing them rigidly. In reading, don't overthink, manage your time per question, and be conservative with negative marking questions. For listening, stay focused even if you miss information, always preview options, and practice effective note-taking. Let's finalize your preparation with a crucial checklist for the final week before your exam. 7 days before, complete 2 full mock tests, review all question types, and finalize your templates. 3 days before, engage in light practice only, review strategies, and check your test center location. The day before, avoid intensive study, prepare your documents, and ensure you get a good night's sleep. On test day, have a light breakfast, arrive 30 minutes early with your passport, and stay calm and confident. Remember, scoring 90 in PTE Academic is absolutely achievable with the right strategy, consistent practice, and confidence. You've got this. Success is not just about knowing English, it's about mastering the PTE format. Good luck on your journey to PTE success.